Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to discuss more about collection filter in Salesforce Flow. So this is the second part of the collection filter. So before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So let me just quickly go through what I have built in the part 1 of this collection filter. So in this flow I have used this get records element. So in this get record is element is fetching like account records is on the object account, and it's fetching all of the accounts whose annual revenues are greater than equals to $2 lakh, and I am just getting all records. Since I am using this all records radio, because of the collection element we need to pass a collection variable. So whenever we are selecting these get records as all records, so it become a collection. So let me show you quickly. So in the record collection variable section we can find these get records. So this is a collection variable and we are just passing this collection to the source of the data for the collection filter. So this collection filter element is doing for those accounts whose rating are warm, I am just refining it more on the selected account record. So whenever the account rating is greater than account rating is equals to warm, I'm just collecting those into this collection filter. Now what I do today, so I'll be just adding a new element, like new screen element, and I'll be just using data table to show what is the difference between the dataset records, between all records and the collection filter element. So I'll be just adding this like screen for collection filter, and I'll be using like a data table component input element. So if you have not gone through data table, I have already built some tutorials on data table, so please go through and check that out. So in the data table as well we need to pass a collection. So in this flow we have two collections, right? As first one is the get records collection, and the second one is the collection filter as a collection. So I'll be using this one for the all records or for the accounts, like, and I'll be providing the API name like all ACCs recs, and in that label I'll be providing all accounts, and I'll be choosing this checkbox use label as the table title. So in here all the account records will be shown, and I'll be just making the columns like what are the columns fields I need to show. Like I can select account number, then annual revenue as well. Then let me add another column for rating as well, account rating, and we are good. Like so this one for the first data table, and I'll be adding another data table component for the collection filter. So let me search in the components data table, and I'll be just putting just below of the our previous data table component, and I'll be using that name collection filter data table, providing the name like filtered accounts. I'll be using this as a label, and I'll be just passing the collection filter, and let me configure the columns as like the first one, like account number, then annual revenue, and the final one account rating. And we are good to go. I'll be selecting on done, and I'll be saving this flow. Let me debug this flow. And here we can see that in the all accounts we can see lots of accounts having the annual revenue to greater than equals to $2 lakh is showing, and in the filtered accounts we can see only two accounts having the account rating as 1. So this is the procedure, like we can use this collection filter to refine our records, truncate our records. So this is how we can simply use this collection filter, and it will become again a list, and we'll just use wherever the source as a collection. So this completes the second part of this collection filter. I'll be adding one more session on the collection filter as well for another scenario. So please stay tuned. Please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.